Hey there, welcome back to Be a Man. Today, we're diving into a topic that a lot of you guys have been asking about: what to do when a woman ignores you and how to handle it with confidence and class. This isn't about playing games or revenge, it's about valuing yourself and setting the tone for healthy interactions. So stick around, because this one's for you. Number 1, acknowledge the situation. First things first, being ignored sucks. Whether it's a text left unanswered or being brushed off in person, it can feel frustrating and even hurtful. But here's the truth: how you react says more about you than the situation itself. Don't jump to conclusions or act out of frustration. Take a deep breath and recognize that her behavior might not even be about you. Life happens, she could be busy, distracted, or even testing boundaries. Let's focus on how you can handle this in a way that keeps your self-respect intact. Number 2, don't chase. One of the worst things you can do is chase someone who's ignoring you. Calling, texting repeatedly, or demanding her attention only weakens your position. Instead, take a step back. Respect yourself enough to know that you shouldn't have to beg for someone's time or attention. Here's the mindset shift: a high-value man doesn't chase, he attracts. When you stop chasing, you create space for her to notice and even miss your presence. This isn't about being manipulative, it's about showing that you're confident and self-assured. Number 3, focus on yourself. Now's the perfect time to turn that energy inward. Focus on your goals, hobbies, and passions. Hit the gym, read that book, hang out with friends, do whatever makes you feel like your best self. Not only does this take your mind off the situation, but it also makes you more attractive in the long run. Remember, women are naturally drawn to men who have purpose and confidence. When you're busy living your best life, her ignoring you will feel like her loss, not yours. Number 4, set boundaries. If and when she does reach out, it's time to set some boundaries. Be honest and direct, but also respectful. Say something like, "Hey, I noticed you weren't responding. Is everything okay?" This shows emotional maturity and sets the tone for clear communication. If she continues to ignore you or offers excuses that don't align with your values, it's okay to walk away. You deserve someone who values and respects your time. Number 5, destroying the ego respectfully. When we talk about destroying her ego, we're not talking about revenge or pettiness. The best way to do this is by showing her that her actions don't control your emotions. Confidence, composure, and indifference are your greatest tools. By staying cool, calm, and focused on yourself, you send a clear message: I'm not here to boost your ego. I value myself too much for that. That's powerful, and trust me, it will leave a lasting impression. So, the next time you feel ignored, remember, don't chase, focus on yourself, and set boundaries. Women respect men who respect themselves. By handling the situation with confidence and class, you'll come out stronger, no matter the outcome. Thanks for tuning in to Be a Man. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on self-growth and relationships. Let me know in the comments, how do you handle being ignored? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay confident, stay focused, and keep winning.